Are you thinking about living in Canton, Georgia? You have come to the right place. I'm Shonna Sherrill, and I'm a realtor in the area. My team and I help people just like you every single day make a smooth move to Canton. Today, I want to show you a 55 and older community in Canton. It's called Soleil Belmont. And you know, every person should have an advocate who is working for them on their side and helping them through the buyer process. That's what we do. So if we can help you with this community or any others in the area, please reach out to me. All of my contact information is below. Now, before we go in, let me just give you a little bit of background here. We're going to see the Weston model. These are by Patrick Malloy Homes, and this one is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just over 2,800 square feet. It has a separate study, dining room, and we're just going to go in and take a look. So let's head on in. This is the front of the Weston model here at Soleil Belmont. Has a front entry 2-car garage. Let's go inside. As we come into the front door, you'll notice you have very nice wide hallways. A beautiful dining room on your right. And to the left, 2 bedrooms and a bath. Full bath, shower with hallway tile to the ceiling, a linen closet, and your second bedroom. Coming on down the hallway, we have a coat closet here to your right, half bath. The half baths are very nice size. No one will feel cramped. Then you come into this gorgeous living area. Fireplace with gas logs, built-ins. Take a look out here. You know, one of the things that I really love about this home is when you're sitting inside in the living area, you can see out these beautiful doors all the way out into the woods and the surrounding area. But one thing else I love is how this opens and opens and opens, and it just keeps opening. I just love this. Now to the left of the living area, this is very large, modern, gorgeous kitchen. Island with quartz countertops. Have a breakfast area. A deck on the outside. Backsplash is just lovely here. They have such nice finishes. The gold hardware is just a very beautiful touch. Here's a beverage cooler. 5-burner gas cooktop. We have a pantry here. Single bowl sink. And double ovens. Now as we make our way to the primary suite here on the main, it's just off this back hallway, the huge primary suite. This is on the back of the home, windows, lots of light. It's nice tile floor. Look at that primary shower. It's gorgeous. Got the rain shower, the bench. Again, very nice hardware here. Dual vanities. There's your water closet. You do have a linen closet here. And here is your primary closet. Goes all the way back. As we keep going down this hallway off the primary suite, very private study here. This would make an awesome office, or if you're retired and don't need an office, I'm sure you'd figure out something to do with it. Here is your laundry room. Check out that floor. And that's just off the 2-car garage. Well, that concludes our tour of the Weston model here at Soleil Belmont. If we can help you with this home or any others in the Canton area, be sure and reach out to us. You can call me, text me, email me, or schedule a chat with me. All of my contact information is below. And once again, if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you will be the first to know when future tours come out. See you soon.